Just a quick question. You are given a 3.7 volt battery and you are asked to make a stable 5 volt source. You might say, well, just use a power bank module. But what makes the conversion of 3.7 volts to 5 volts? Well, it is a module called a boost converter. And in this video, I'll be explaining you not only how a simple boost converter converts the voltage, but also how the feedback system works, which is in part 2. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started up. So, are we gonna learn this complicated schematic? No. Instead, let's move on to the whiteboard. So, here are the bare bones of the boost converter, which are just a switch, an inductor, and a power source. Now, when the switch is closed, the inductor is building up its magnetic field. Once the switch opens, the magnetic field collapses till there is no magnetic field and thus is connected in series to the power source, which in turn increases the voltage. Once the coil loses its magnetic field, the voltage is going to be equal to the supply voltage, and thus this cycle continues. But now we got a problem. Say if the load is a battery, then the battery will be shorted whenever the switch is closed. In order to fix that, we add a diode with a low voltage drop between the coil and the output, and thus it blocks the reverse current flow from the battery to the converter. And we can improve our circuit by adding some capacitors on the input and output to smooth out the voltage. And now we need the output to be fully stable, right? Well, that is the area when feedback comes into the game. But that will be in another video. I hope I have covered mostly on how a boost converter works. Stay tech, and I will see you next time.